Yeah. Where are you?
Hey.
For once. Why did you give it to her so that you be in the video? You are always behind you.
Oh wow. I mean, put my show.
I really love to see
You
you.
understand that?
Oh yeah, anybody don't like to trade that money. Boy, yeah, what? Trade that money application.
Trade that money.
I only got to thank you.
Let's go. But tomorrow, don't miss out. It's very important. Good luck, man. Thank you so much. And he'll go with you now.
So.
You have my jacket, everything in there.
Can I be in this luggage?
All right, people. Good night. Baba, how's it going?
You remember me at all?
Of course. Yeah, Ken's brother now, the one with the club and the Kaja, right? Jerry.
Ken's brother.
Yeah. How's it going, sir? Good morning.
How
How was the trip?
good.
Very good.
Yeah, with you.
Where you guys headed this morning?
I live here in New York.
Okay, that's my city. But today I'm going to
A
Dallas.
restaurant in Jerry.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How are you?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I mean, at least for starting, witness somebody
Yes,
different from the thing we've been having.
that's right.
Congratulations.
How are you?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Thank you.
My baggage. I'm not carrying. No carry.
You didn't carry any baggage?
Don't carry on. When I'm coming, I don't carry. When I'm going,
You take
I
a lot.
take.
Yes, that's the way it should
You
be.
still waiting on someone?
How's it going? No, my bag is right in front in the business class
Catch
section.
him up so that we can.
All right. Yeah, I'll see you.
I won't just
Okay,
here
let's
so that,
yeah.
so that people
Can pass.
I won't stop my affection for you because we're in the same circle. But I've never seen a terrible thing from our circle to each other. When I had 11 million as capital budget,
Yes.
ask Bengal Yiko, ask Jafet Omodua, you wrote that I sold 150 billion.
What was that?
Sad, but
Which company is this?
This is National Film and Video Census, but I'm the DJ.
Alright, that you see, and you're still the DJ?
Yeah.
Okay. It's nice to meet you.
We'll get in touch.
No problem.
Keep the spirit. Please, let's do more justice to ourselves. Right.
Thank you, man. Yeah.
When I had 11 million as capital budget, we wrote that I was only 150.
Well, you're raising something that I have no access to even at this point.
I know.
Even then, you know that when we do stories, it's because we have evidence most of the time, all of the time.
This is my personality.
Okay, so it's good to meet you.
Dallas, here we come. Thank you. Yeah, that one is on Facebook Live, right?
That's right. So when I went to Dallas and I just met this great supporter of ours,
Femi
Dada, who's also a great Ife.
Yeah, and stays in Dallas as well, so we're out in Dallas.
So we boarded the same flight from Lagos, and we're heading to Dallas together. So Dallas, if you're there, expect us.
We are waiting on you guys. Your support is on value.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, exactly, live and direct.
I think we should go upstairs to ticketing.
Ticketing?
Yes. So this is... This New York JFK just arrived here a minute ago. Sorry, and I just checked into Dallas, and I'm here with Femi Dada, who met with me accidentally here, and he's also on his way to Dallas, and we're both now trying to go to the check-in counter and go to Dallas together. Amazing guy, supporter here. So Dallas, if you're there, we're getting ready. Get ready.
Our brothers and sisters, way back in Dallas, we're on our way. We'll be expecting you all out. Come and give your support, not to Sowore, but to Nigeria. We want to take it back. We want a new face. We want a change, and it's possible.
It is possible, yes. Alaji. This is my Alaji now.
Look at me, President. What's going on, man?
Yeah.
Alaji is my very good friend.
That's interesting. Hello, great Nigerians. Live and direct New York City at the JFK Airport. This is Alaji Tejukari and our incoming president, Omoyele Sowore, en route in Dallas for the town hall meeting. Here we call you all, we want your support, we need you, we can't do it all alone. Nigeria will work again. It is not for our generation, but for the unborn generation and the yet incoming generation. We have to do our bit so that our kids, our children will start asking us, how much or what have we done for the country? It is very possible to take Nigeria by change. It is very possible to make things work. If you are ready, I am ready, and Sowore is ready. Alaji is ready to make it happen. We are taking it back. There is no other way to it. We can't allow the old moribund to keep twisting our life, our future. We have mortgaged the future of Nigeria, but we will not allow that to continue. this is our time, and we are making it work again. Omoyele Sowore, for Nigerian president, come February 2019. It is possible. We can make it happen. You and me and everybody. We are now way rooting to Dallas. We expect you all to come out and support en masse. Let us give our own bit of it. Let us give our own support. There's no how long you be here. You still have to go back home. Home is home. We have to make it work. Come out and support en masse. We'll be waiting on you. Check out on Take It Back platform in Dallas for the venue and the time. We'll be waiting to see you guys.
Naturally.
Which is in another 1 or 2 editions.
Nigeria, they use computer. The leaders of Nigeria, they use radio where they turn the knob.